Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Horseshoes set game available, the Franklin Sports Horseshoes set. If you love outdoor games that bring family and friends together, this set is designed just for you. The Franklin Sports Horseshoes set is an official size and weight horseshoe game kit, perfect for adults and kids alike. It includes 4 forged steel horseshoes, 2 painted blue and 2 silver, each weighing 2.1 pounds. These horseshoes are carefully crafted and evenly weighted, ensuring a consistent flight and rotation every time you throw. This balance makes the game both challenging and enjoyable whether you're a beginner or more experienced player. One of the highlights of this set is the solid forged steel stakes included. These stakes measure 20 inches long and are built to last through countless games. Just plant them about 9 to 10 inches into the ground, and you're ready to start playing. Their durability means they'll stand strong even after many ringers. Portability is another major plus with this set. It comes with a convenient carrying case that lets you pack everything up quickly and take it anywhere, whether it's a day at the beach, a backyard barbecue, or a fun outing with friends. The compact case also makes storage simple when the game is not in use. The dimensions of the set are well thought out too. With horseshoes around 24 inches long and 2 inches wide, they're comfortable to handle for players of all ages and sizes. The entire set weighs approximately 13.2 pounds, making it manageable to carry without sacrificing the sturdy construction that players want. Playing horseshoes is all about creating memories and having a great time outdoors, and this set is designed with those moments in mind. The quality forged steel construction ensures that you're getting a durable product meant to provide years of fun and competition. Whether you're at a family gathering, a picnic, or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon in your backyard, this Franklin Sports Horseshoes set offers a classic outdoor game experience with professional-grade features. It's suitable for casual players looking to unwind or for those who enjoy competitive tossing. Overall, the Franklin Sports Horseshoes set combines official size, balanced weight, durability, and portability into one complete package that delivers fun for everyone. If you're looking for a reliable horseshoe game set that can travel with you and provide hours of entertainment, this is a strong contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.